What's going on, you guys? We are here at another walkthrough. This one's in Gresham, Oregon. It's way out in southeast, almost northeast Portland. It's way out here off 26, and this one is a 1,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's check it out. Alrighty, first thing you notice, as soon as I pulled in, there is some rampant dry rot. Lots of issues with the dry rot. This board is more like Jello right now. Spongy as all get out. So you've got that. You've all along here, right above the belly band, just rot with damage. Also on the front of the house, you can see damage there. Lots of damage here. The fascia is just eaten up with dry rot. So that is significant, but you know, these things happen. The windows, as you know, we always check windows. They are vinyl. That is good. Mobile homes often come with those kind of windows that are aluminum and very, very poor as far as efficiency goes. So all of these windows are, all of them are vinyl. Here's a wheelchair ramp. Gonna have a built-on shed. A nice light over it. It's a nice little workspace, unfinished. But looks like there's some water damage obviously there. That's not good. The siding seems to have quite a bit of water damage all over this house. Let's kind of see the rest of the, it's bright. See the rest, we'll survey the rest of the damages. The, actually it looks pretty nice. The landscaping looks all right. This is what we're looking at over here. That is a vinyl window, but it looks like there's some moisture down at the bottom, so possible window there. Again, this one has, looks like we're missing several screens, and this screen is very damaged, so looks like somebody's been writing stuff on that one. Again, we're looking at water damage there underneath the gutter, probably just backed up gutter. The nails they used above the door are rusting and not looking so good. This window looks damaged, possibly need to be replaced. More dry rot, lots and lots of dry rot just everywhere. So that'll be a big thing. Looks like an access point here. Let's see here. Looks like somebody put a screw in it. That's not gonna open. But yeah, it's this one, like I said, is 1,600 square feet, so it's a big boy. Let's see, we can get back in the door this way. The other door was locked. This house very clearly had animals. I wish I could describe the smell to you right now, but I don't think you'd want to know. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. As I pan the camera, the smell really clouds my view of it, but when I watch it through the camera, I'm like, oh, it doesn't look bad. Got a slider to the back here, so got a nice little deck. So it's covered, that's very nice. Let's see if we can, I think there's where the little critters went in and out and brought in all their smells and grossness into the house. More dry rot. As you can tell, there is no grass, nothing growing back here. 100% sure. There's probably about 50 or 60 dogs and cats, I would say, you know, just wrecking this place. That's probably what the smell is. It appears it was someone possibly handicapped because we got an added on railing here. Probably have to remove that if we did this, but all in all, there's been worse. Just got a little covered thing out there, probably again for the animals. So this is your initial living room space, dining room space, just off the kitchen. The kitchen is not bad. It's got a lot of natural light from the skylight there. Wallpaper obviously needs to go. The cabinets, the cabinets probably can be refinished. The countertops would be replaced. It's got this interesting little nook area. I don't know what we'd do with that, but maybe take down this wall and make this nook bigger. But this is like a breakfast nook. It's pretty dirty, but it's, you know, not too bad. That's been added on, so we can get rid of that. All appliances have to be replaced. But this, once you open up these windows, would be a nice little breakfast nook. Big ol', I guess this is a pantry slash laundry room. Clearly, washer dryer go there, but there's no pantry anywhere, and there's a lot of shelves in here. So if you want your laundry to be washed right beside your Cheerios, there you go. Not exactly my design. I like the idea of an island. I don't like the actuality of that island, so we'll probably have to do something. I don't know if you've noticed the details, but you've got the blunted corners and the textured walls. Indicates this house is probably closer to mid to late 90s. The late 80s, early 90s still had the untextured walls and the regular corners. So the rounded off corners indicate probably looking at like a 95, 96, something like that. Yes, that is 2 colors in the carpet. Dirty, clean. In here in the next living room, dirty, clean. And it smells about how it looks. So, yay. This, right off the kitchen, is actually the master. It's a very interesting choice. You know, you walk out of your master bedroom and bam, you're in the kitchen. But you've got 2 closets, his and hers. And the crowning achievement of this entire house is this surprisingly gorgeous master bathroom. You've got some water damage, but you've got a stand-up shower that can be updated. Beautiful lighting from the skylight. It's just a bright and happy dual vanity. Lots of potential in this master. Around here, you've got some shelves and a little spot for some stuff. A hand towel rack. Lots to be updated. Obviously, we'll have to get rid of that. If we did get this place, we definitely need to get rid of that wallpaper. Same in the kitchen. Here you've got probably, I don't know, got 30, 40 feet of another living room. This is the main living room. You've got a stove. You've got some just carpet. I'll just call it carpet. We'll just leave that. Maybe we'll leave this. I think the next owners will appreciate it. You got a built-in here that honestly, it's just kind of an awkward place for it. It's very shallow. It's not, the depth is pretty shallow. I probably just take that out, but we'll see. Here's the main front door. Coming down here to the other end of the house, you've got the 2, instead of building a closet in the hallway, they just put this up, which is an interesting choice. This bathroom, you know, needs some help, but I've seen worse. We need to get rid of the wallpaper, redo countertops, some new hardware, new paint, new floor. The shower probably can be cleaned and resurfaced. You've got bedroom number 2, nice big closet, nice big window, not bad. And you got bedroom 3 that is by far the smallest, but it's not the smallest room I've seen. I've seen worse. It's got a closet, some carpet that I just can't get over the carpet. You've got some wires hanging out of the wall, but in general, if you can see through it, I see some grand potential. Not in the graffiti window, but got some sheetrock work. That is probably at least about an inch wide hole. But yeah, this thing actually does have quite a bit of potential. A lot of the texture has been done already, so we'd have some prep. We need to get rid of the wallpaper, paint inside and out. Honestly, a lot of what needs to be done is on the outside. So there you go, another house down. From what I can tell, they are asking 40 for it. Again, this one will probably sell for 110, maybe 120 on a good day. Needs quite a bit of work. Siding needs to be done. Again, when you look at these homes, especially in Portland, the big ticket items are water damage, are roof, and windows. So if you've got vinyl windows, you've got a leg up because you're saving several $1,000s on windows. If you've got a roof, obviously that's the biggest item. If you don't have rampant water damage, you know, you've got the bones for a good house. Paint is cheap. Flooring is not cheap, but it solves a lot of problems. So great potential, and we'll see. I'll let you know if we pick this one up.